Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 634. The system file has become corrupt and has been replaced error corrupt system file on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing this type of errors, your system file is corrupted, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click, go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. The one and single workaround, open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode, and here execute this 3 DISM tool one by one. First execute this 3 DISM tool: DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows. And once successfully execution of these 3 DISM tool, execute the command sfc scan now, sfc/scan now, and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files. Beginning system scans. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. Wait till 100% verification complete. It will not only detect the issue, if any corrupted system files found, it will repair accordingly, and accordingly your error will be resolved. So wait till 100% verification complete. SFC scan now, system file checker scan you must apply in your system to resolve such type of error code. Once 100% complete, it will notify you, and accordingly your error will be resolved.